welcome to my home. Who's the fairest puppy of them all? Who's the fairest? I always want to start with clean hands. Behind the camera, we have my husband, Tony. Say hi, Tony.
Hi.
That's it?
Yeah.
Welcome to my kitchen. I have all of the stuff we are going to need to make this low-cal, low-sugar pink drink because it is my favorite. I've been on a health journey and I have really been trying to cut back on my sugar because, you guys, sugar was my weakness. I picked up these really awesome reusable cups at my local Starbucks for like $2. You can't beat it. The key items here are going to be coconut milk. Really important to get the unsweetened coconut milk. You can do plain or vanilla. I like the vanilla. It gives it a little added flavor. The standout item for this recipe are these True Lemon and True Lime mixes. You can get these at your local Walmart for $2 a box. I'm obsessed. And then lastly, to really get that Starbucks extraness, freeze-dried fruit. Regular dried fruit will not work. Don't use that. It has to be freeze-dried like the astronauts eat. So my husband and I are not fancy enough that we don't drink tap water. We still drink tap water. So I'm going to start over here with tap water. You could use filtered water, bottled water, whatever you like. And you want to get 2 cups cold water. I'm going to show you guys a variety. One of them is really, in my opinion, really the pink drink, and the other one is just delicious. For the one that tastes the most like the pink drink to me, I use 1 package of the True Lime Limeade Watermelon and 1 packet of the True Lemon Raspberry Lemonade. These 2 combined make the pink drink. Tony, what's one of your favorite flavors ever?
Strawberry.
And is that what I thought you were
Watermelon.
gonna say?
Watermelon.
No.
I don't know.
Peach.
Peach.
But I am throwing in a little strawberry for his. I'm doing a strawberry lemonade and a peach lemonade because I thought peach was one
Well,
of
you
his
still got the strawberry, and peach is good.
Since I thought peach was one of his favorites, now let's get to cracking. So we're going to just open these up and mix them in. Whoa, and I almost put that all over the floor. That would have been a disaster. So the cool thing about these are they're super flavorful. Now, if you are avoiding all sugar, cane sugar is an ingredient in here, but stevia is also. And stevia doesn't affect our blood sugar like regular sugar, but there's actually only 1 gram total sugar in the packet, but we are putting 2, so you're going to have to double that. 10 calories per packet. Still not terrible, and if you compare it to the actual drink, oh goodness, we are doing far better. As you can see, we already have the color going. Now, I don't put in the ice until after I've mixed the powder in because you don't want any lumps or bumps or chunks in there. I actually just use the straw that comes with the reusable cups. There is a little bit trial and error in this. Sometimes it tastes a little too sweet to me, a little too flavorful, so then I'll add a little extra water. Definitely like a lot of ice in my drink. I'm going to add 3 more cubes. We got to save room for the coconut milk. That's what really makes this like the pink drink. Now we're going in with the 1/2 cup and our coconut milk. I'm going to shake it up just a little bit. Apparently, Abel was not a fan of that. So going to add a 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Abel, we still want a little bit of room on top because we have to add the best part, in my opinion. So for the actual pink drink, I'm going to add freeze-dried strawberries. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon, a generous tablespoon, because I seriously love this part. And then you can switch it up and do other fruits, like Fiji apples. Then just grabbing our handy-dandy little straws and mixing it up, pushing the strawberries down in there. Mixing it up, pushing the Fuji apples down in there. As you can tell, since his is the peach and strawberry, it's a lot lighter. The watermelon and raspberry really gives you the color of the pink drink. Here's yours, babe.
Thank you.
Pardon the dog in the background. We have a bunch of people moving around outside, and Abel is freaking out. Out there. Now hold your drink up.
Ours again.
Hold your drink up so people can see it. So here is the finished drink, and it is taste test time. Tony, you go first. How is it?
It's really good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I think it's super refreshing, and I don't think you can tell that it's not like jam-packed full of sugar.
No, still tastes sweet enough.
So here is the actual pink drink. Oh, I love this. I had my good friend Elma try this. She loved it. She is doing the keto diet, and she was like, oh my gosh, this tastes just like the pink drink at Starbucks. It's so refreshing. It's really sweet. But honestly, it's not like, do you think it's overly sweet?
No, I think it's perfect. What? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What?
He's so stressed to be on camera.
I don't feel stressed. That's just how I talk. Huh?
That's not how you talk.
No, I think it's perfect.
There you go.
I think it's the perfect summer drink. And
I almost choked on it.
my left arm's going limp from holding the camera.
So if you're new here, I am not a nutritionist at all. So I cannot guarantee that this is really a healthy option for anybody who's starting this healthy journey, but I definitely feel like it's healthier than hitting up Starbucks every day during the summer and getting a sugar-packed pink drink. Looking here at the packaging one last time, so per one pouch, there is 1 gram of sugar, 10 calories. So really there's in the drink 2 grams of sugar, 20 calories from this. And then for 1 cup, which we only used half a cup, there is 0 sugar in here, 2 grams of carbs, 50 calories. So really it's 25 calories because we only used half a cup.
Got about 45 calories.
45 calories. Let me just look up the Starbucks one real fast. Be right back. The pink drink at Starbucks has, I'll save you guys the trip from having to look it up. It has 24 grams of sugar, where my version has only 2 grams from the flavor packets, because the coconut milk says there is no sugar. That makes sense because I got the, unsweetened version. Now, this doesn't mean I will never get the pink drink again from Starbucks, because I am a fan. I love it, but I just can't get it as often as I was, trying to live that healthier lifestyle, you guys.
And it tastes just as good.
Thank you, babe.
I
think it tastes really good. I think the only thing that I would say varies from the version here that's most like the pink drink is it's a little bit more tangy because of the lemon and lime flavoring in there. But overall, I think it's a really great drink. It's really refreshing. If you try this recipe, let us know down below. We love hearing from you guys. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, what should they do?
Hit that subscribe button.
Yes, hit the subscribe button. Join the Lash Fam. I have seriously the sweetest subscribers here. Please remember, try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Say bye.
Bye. Have a wonderful